You're watching CTOM TV. Knowledge is power.
So what do I see in the future? Well, I mean, we've got 4 different variants of coronaviruses that cause flus and don't kill us. Or not flus, but common colds, and they don't kill us. They're not problematic. They've evolved with us. I suspect COVID-19 is one of those. I suspect it will be. It will be one of those. And it's just trying to adapt to us using whatever abilities it can. Typically with RNA viruses and other viruses, the deadly strains burn out after time. Otherwise, they kill their host and they can't multiply, and that's it for them. They need us. We're important for them. Also, viruses tend to adapt to the host and become less dangerous over time. And in that sense, they also are able to better evade the immune system. And that's common with, things like HPV and, different viruses that have lived among us. Epstein-Barr, for example, where most people have infection of some sort, but it doesn't typically kill you. So that's where I see this virus going. I think it will become less pathogenic over time. We don't know that for sure, but we're not going to survive if it doesn't, because it's highly transmissible.
Right. Okay. So right now, if my notes are accurate, we have this kind of coronavirus has been amongst humans for quite some time in different forms.
Not this strain, COVID. We're talking COVID-19.
Right.
There's many coronaviruses.
Yes, thank you. That's what I'm just recapping. As you talked earlier about how coronavirus isn't new to us, but COVID-19 is.
It's a pathogenic strain that's new. Although it's the COVID-19 strain itself has probably been with us for a while. It's probably been around since the 70s or the 80s.
In humans.
In humans. It probably just hasn't been as pathogenic and as transmissible as it is now.
Right.
So it hasn't just recently jumped to humans.
Right.
The data shows that it's been around for a while.
Okay.
And that it's recently become more pathogenic and more transmissible.
Okay. And partly because it's got this special function of being able to proofread itself and therefore catch any mutations.
Well, all coronaviruses have proofreading.
Oh, do they?
Yes. It's part of how they maintain their large genome.
Ah.
They have a huge genome with 30,000 base pairs.
Oh, I thought that was unique to COVID-19,
No,
but it's coronavirus in general.
Yes.
Okay, so I see that's problematic. But you're saying there are some treatments available right now. They're just not as we'll say multiple as we need or as easy to access.
The drugs just are not available. The people are getting them, but they're kind of lucky.
Right. So they are. Just so he's a scientist, he speaks a different language from me. These things are available. It's just that there's not enough of them just yet.
Exactly.
So obviously, pharmaceutical companies and medical services companies are working hard to create more of these antivirals and these furin inhibitors that you mentioned. You also talked that almost certainly there'll be some sort of seasonal vaccine that we end up with, hopefully sooner rather than later, akin to our seasonal flu vaccine. So that is something definitely to look forward to, that it's possible, very, very, very probable to develop a vaccine, and for that to be something that becomes one of our annual shots that we get.
Thank you for watching CTOM TV. Subscribe below and stay informed.